May isang bagong kampanya para bumuo ng mga twin city o sister city sa pagitan ng mga syudad sa Pilipinas at mga lungsod sa Canada. Ang detalye sa report na ito.
The twinning of cities will demonstrate Canada's commitment to Filipinos.
May isang bagong kampanya ang Filipino Heritage Society sa tulong ng grupong United Against Hate Canada.
There needs to be proposals to cities right across Canada to form relationships with partners in the Philippines. Twinning would highlight the contributions of Filipino Canadians to the well-being of our country, the pride they have of being Filipinos, and the joy they have in being Canadians.
Nais ng dalawang grupo mula sa Montreal na bumuo ng mga sister city o friendship city statuses sa pagitan ng iba't ibang interesadong syudad sa Pilipinas at mga syudad sa Canada. At ilang mga opisyal at pinuno interesado.
We're going to bring it back to council and explore in the future what we can do to enhance through twinning of cities.
And I'm certainly open to hearing from the Filipino community organizations in Greater Vancouver, and I would certainly relish the opportunity to reach out.
I will do everything I can to link up Toronto with Filipino cities that want to build friendship and build bonds that are already strong.
And encourage the leaders of the Filipino community in our city to develop a proposal which council can examine and bring to public consultation.
Ilang syudad na ang meron ng sister city statuses katulad ng Winnipeg, Montreal at Maynila, New Westminster, BC at Quezon City at ang Vaughan, Ontario at Baguio.
Twinning City started in May 1997 when the late Mayor Lorna Jackson went to Baguio City to sign that twinning. And on October 1997, Mayor Dumogan and his councilors came to Vaughan to sign that twinning.
Ayon sa Pangulo ng Filipino-Canadian Association of Vaughan, sa pagkakaroon ng opisyal na city twinnings o friendship city statuses, maaaring bumuo ng mga MOU o Memorandum of Understanding ang bawat syudad para magkaroon ng ilang mga cultural visits sa hinaharap katulad ng ginawa ng grupo nila.
Educational exchanges in 2000 where the students of high school, St. Elizabeth High School went to Baguio City. There were 26 of them. Students and some faculty members. And on the same year, the Baguio City students came here, around 23 of them, to learn the students the educational aspect of Vaughan.
Pero may dalawang bagay na mahalaga raw gawin bago bumuo ng mga sister city statuses ayon kay Insigne. Ang mga aktibong miyembro ng komunidad dapat handang magboluntaryong sumuporta at maglaan ng pondo.
That is very important because without the money, the financial aspect, we can never make this twin city as good as what it is today.
Hindi lahat ng mga syudad sa Canada ay bukas sa konsepto ng pagkakaroon ng twin cities. Katulad ng nangyari sa syudad ng Brampton, Ontario. Binuo ng syudad ang Brampton Marikina Friendship Park matapos ang pagbuo ng sister city status kasama ang syudad ng Marikina. Pero noong 2018, bumoto ang City Council para tanggalin ang lahat ng mga sister city agreements ng syudad dahil nagreklamo raw ang ilang mga residente at konsehal na masyado raw itong magastos para sa mga nagbabayad ng buwis.
I would like to think that these agreements are more than just agreements to build goodwill, but will actually be platforms for substantive collaboration.